Welcome to our channel. Today, I am excited to share with you an often overlooked technique for manifesting money, as suggested by the renowned teacher and speaker Neville Goddard. Neville Goddard had several techniques that he taught to his students for manifesting money, but the technique I am going to share with you today is one that is not well known, even among experts in the field. In this video, I'm going to reveal this secret technique, and I want to make sure that you watch it from start to finish so you can understand the whole process of practicing it. Now, let's get into the technique. Neville Goddard talked about the odor of money in many of his books and lectures, and he even mentioned the smell of money and odor in general as aids to manifestation. In one of his lectures, he suggested using the smell of money as a technique for manifesting it. He said that money has a distinct odor and that we can distinguish it just like we can distinguish the odor of different things. He even chided that a money bag to a miser would be more fragrant than a bouquet of blooming, fragrant flowers. Neville Goddard believed that our five senses, including the sense of smell, played a crucial role in our ability to be aware of the existence of something, even if it's invisible. For example, if someone has no sense of smell, they wouldn't be able to know the odor of a certain thing such as bacon. Similarly, if a person is blind, they wouldn't be able to know about the existence of a particular thing such as new painting. Therefore, our senses play a crucial role in helping us imagine our desires and make them a reality. When it comes to manifesting money, Neville Goddard's law of assumption requires us to visualize it. However, if we don't know what money smells like, it will be difficult for us to visualize it effectively. In order to visualize money effectively, we need to have a clear picture of what it looks like and what it smells like. Smelling money is not only recommended by Neville Goddard, but many other experts also recommend doing so. By smelling money or seeing a currency note more often, a clear picture of the note gets imprinted in our subconscious mind. And when we visualize money, we can do so effectively and even feel its odor while doing so. Let me give you an example to illustrate my point. Suppose you want to manifest a new home and you are going to practice visualization techniques to make it a reality. If you have a clear picture of what your dream home looks like, including its size, appearance, number of rooms, color, and location, then you will be able to imagine it clearly, and the chances of manifesting it will be high. However, if you have no clear idea of what sort of home you want to manifest, then it will be difficult for you to imagine it. The same goes for money. If you have a clear picture of what money looks like, including its size, appearance, touch, and smell, then you will be able to visualize it effectively and increase the chances of manifesting it. Money has a distinct smell to it, and those who have ever smelled it know it well. If you close your eyes and smell a piece of paper-based money, you will know exactly what you are smelling. Money has its own unique odor, like a thumbprint, and a scientific study suggests that we can distinguish between 10,000 different odors. The sense of smell in humans is more powerful than we think, and even emotions have their unique odors, according to numerous scientists, and these smells imprint on our subconscious. Therefore, using the sense of smell to manifest money is a powerful tool that we should utilize. To do this, you can either get an actual currency note and smell it, or you can imagine the odor of money while visualizing it. The key is to make the experience as real as possible so that it feels like you already have the money you desire. Now that you know what the odor of money is, let's move on to the next step, which is to imagine the money in your hands. The idea behind this step is to feel the physical sensation of holding money in your hands, which will help you to manifest it faster. You can either imagine yourself holding a currency note or imagine holding a stack of bills. It is important to focus on the feeling of the money in your hands and how it feels to hold it, the texture, and the weight of the money. The key again here is to engage as many senses as possible through smell and touch that will imprint on the subconscious mind to make the vision as real as possible. Next, you want to imagine yourself spending the money. This step is crucial because it helps to remove any limiting beliefs you may have about money, such as not being able to afford things or not being good with money. By imagining yourself spending the money, you are showing the universe that you are ready and open to receiving it. Imagine yourself going shopping, paying bills, or making investments. The more detail you put into your imagination, the more real it will feel, and the more likely it will be to manifest. Then, you want to let go of your manifestation. This means releasing any attachment to the outcome and trusting that the universe will bring it to you in the right time and the right way. Remember that manifestation is not about controlling the outcome, but rather about aligning your vibration with your desires. By letting go, you are allowing the universe to work its magic, and you will be surprised at how quickly your desires will come to fruition. Lastly, it's important to focus on the feeling of gratitude. Neville Goddard always emphasized the importance of gratitude in the manifestation process. By feeling grateful for the money you have and the money you are about to receive, you are sending positive vibes to the universe, which in turn will attract more abundance into your life. When you imagine yourself spending the money, imagine doing so with a sense of gratitude and appreciation for what it can bring into your life. In conclusion, using the odor of money to manifest it is a powerful technique that you can use to bring more financial abundance into your life. By imagining the smell of money, feeling it in your hands, and visualizing yourself spending it, you are sending a clear message to the universe that you are ready and open to receive more money. However, it is important to remember that manifestation is not just about visualization, but also about letting go and trusting in the universe to bring your desires to you in the right time and the right way. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our latest videos. Also, do let us know in the comments below if you have tried this technique and what your results have been. We would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching.